Bitcoin crash. Buy when there's blood in the streets. Today we're going to talk about when you should be buying. So I've been flipping through the internet and I'm seeing all sorts of articles like this one from CNBC. And it says Bitcoin is bottoming and expect a 70% surge. This guy goes on to talk about he expects Bitcoin to bottom around 7,700 and then he's looking at another level around 8,650 and he's hoping for a $10,000 breakthrough. Now this is pretty exciting if you're in the situation where Bitcoin is right now and you're watching it and you're hoping it's bottomed out and you're ready for it to go. That is pretty exciting, but one thing that he says you need to read in here real closely is he says if it continues to close above, that could signal immediate upside potential. Then he says if it breaks back above, that should bring you further buying to the table. So this guy, if you read closely in here, he's not saying truthfully we're at a bottom. He's saying he hopes we're at a bottom, but he's looking for buying points here. And then he's also indicating he would not buy until he saw some confirmation. And that's the same thing I'm telling you. Do not buy until you see confirmation. Now let's take a look at this. I did a video on this chart the other day. This is Dr. John Paul Rodriguez, Department of Economics, Hofstra University. This is main stages of a bubble. This is where Bitcoin or blockchain used to be. It kind of got into this deal here with the mania phase back in December. It went all the way up. I don't want to redo that again, but it is what it is. So where are we at now? In my analysis, I'm thinking we are somewhere in this area here. We may actually just be in this bull trap situation where some people's about to buy back in. It's going to go up a little bit to capture some people. The sideways motion we had this past week or so ago might have been the bull trap. That might have been all it is. I think where we're at right now is we're feeling more of a fear. There's still a lot of people that's got a lot of fight. There's still a lot of people that's ready to fight back. So that lets me know we're not in the capitulation stage. Capitulation stage is where people accept this is the way it is, and we will get there at some point in time. Then despair, this is what they mean by the saying, when there's blood in the street, it's time to buy. This is when there's blood in the street. This is fear. You still have fighting back. This is when you submit. This is when there's blood in the street. This is the point I'm looking forward to buy back into. I don't think we're quite there yet. So when you're looking at this, yes, there's a lot of fear going on. There's some bad times here and potentially some more. And we may get into a bull bear trap. This could have been all our bull trap was, but it may come soon. But until I see some sort of confirmation, just what this trader alluded to in the article, the article sounds pretty good, 70% return, but he's saying if it gets back above 10,000 with some follow-through days, and I'm saying, well, if it breaks back above 10,000 and you have some follow-through days, it means your moving averages are going good, your candles are doing good. Some of the other indicators I look at is good. I'm good with it. But until then, do not get caught up listening to these kind of articles, and there's tons of them on the internet saying this is the buy time. When you get ready to buy, have a strategy. Watch my videos, develop a strategy, have a reason to buy. Don't just buy because you're hoping it's going to go up. Don't just buy because you're seeing somebody saying there's going to be a 70% gain and you let FOMO, fear of missing out, get you. As of right now, it's heading down. There's nothing telling us that it's heading back up. Hopefully it does, but we have to have confirmation. We have to have some formation here for that to happen. So until that formation happens, until something takes place, do not buy on hope, do not buy on FOMO. So I'm putting together a PDF of my complete trading system. It has taken me over 2 decades to develop this system. So you'll want to keep checking in with this channel to make sure that you can snatch up this PDF just as soon as it becomes available. I will also keep making new videos each day, so like and subscribe. Be sure to ding that bell so that you can get notified when I come out with a new video. In trading, you must train yourself to be like the lion. Most people do business and trade like a scared gazelle. Train yourself to be like the lion. Dominate your domain, analyze, educate, and when it's time to take care of business, you take care of business. Remember, if you don't kill it, your family doesn't eat. This is Blake Storm, SniperInvestor.com.